We are starting our coverage at Koja roundabout, and now we are passing through the River Road. Niaje? Yes, niambie sasa.
Ile kitu tunataka kusema. Ruto ashuke. Ameuza JKI.
Ameuza.
Aliuza JKI, ameuzia Muhindi. Sasa hiyo ndio kazi tulikuwa tumempea.
Okay.
Hiyo ndio kazi tulikuwa bro, hakuna venye mimi nitakuja nikuambie niko na mtoto wako, alafu mtoto wako nimpatiane kwa mtu mwingine na mimi ndio unajua niko na yeye. Mtu anatuchezea karate.
Okay.
Is a liar, ashuke. Tuongea, alisema we are formless. Alisema sisi ni alituita formless na akatuita faceless. Akatuinvite ati Twitter hatukwenda. Tulikuwa huko, yeye ndio hakushow up. Alikuwa anashinda akisema mitambo zake hazifanye.
Okay.
Sasa hii biashara imeharibika sababu just for one person. Zakayo washuke. That's the thing.
River Road leo imenyamaza.
River Road imenyamaza, hakuna biashara inaendelea. Watu wanaogopa tu. Wanaogopa nini? Wale majenzi wasije wakapatana. Lakini unajua shida si jenzi. Shida kuna watu ndani ya jenzi si wazuri, unaona?
Okay. Haya. Safi. All right.
Hiyo simu imehang out nje yote ndani. Hata ukifundishwa inaweza.
So guys, this is a River Road for you, and kazi inaendelea kama kawaida kama mnavyoona.
Kazi inaendelea wapi?
And welcome you.
Hii kazi inaendelea.
River Road has never been like this.
Right now ni mahamu.
So guys, welcome to your number one channel on updates. This is Morori TV, and I'm your guy Jefferson, and I'm here to keep you posted and updated on whatever is happening today. So, and as usual today we are starting our coverage from downtown. We want to show you what is happening in downtown. Actually, downtown has never been like this, but today it's a bit quiet. However, some shops are still operating, but wateja ndo hakuna. And on this broadcast, I want us to be neutral on one thing, like because we're not fighting each other. It's maybe Kenyans against the government. And maybe we pray for peace, love, and unity, so that when there is peace, love, and unity, when there is peace, we can work peacefully, and when there is love, when there is love. All right. Acha tusikie hapa jamaa anaongea kitu. Kazi iko namna gani?
Hii naambia rais wetu ni hivi. Mambo inatulia hivi. Hakuna mambo mengine. Kama anataka vizuri, yeye afuate vile wananchi wanasema. Asianze kusema mambo yake. Yeye ni mmoja, si tuko wengi. Hivyo.
Kazi iko namna gani leo?
Kazi nayo ni mbaya. Nani sikudanganye, kazi ni mbaya zaidi.
Kazi ni mbaya.
Unaona hata magari sasa hii petrol station hakuna nini. Vitu mingi.
Sasa niachie chwani nikunywa chai.
Sasa mimi? Chwani?
Kazi ni mbaya. Sasa unaona.
Sasa ndio tumeingia kazi.
Ndio umeingia kazi.
Asante, shukrani.
Lakini ambia Ruto hivi. Angalia akili yake. Asichezee watu akili. Atumie tu akili kidogo tu ya kuzaliwa.
Acha kuya matako.
Sawa.
Hivyo.
All right. Tunatembea tu just to keep you posted and to keep you updated on whatever is happening in our Kenya, in our country. This is the country we love so much, the country that has always been in peace. And so your guy Jefferson coming live from Nairobi CBD, where we are keeping you posted and updated. Your number one channel when it comes to updates. So in the meantime, River Road is still peaceful, and kama unavyoona kazi washaekelea, hoping that you the buyer will come and buy. And maybe what we'd want to tell Kenyans is that now that all this is happening, now that all this madness is happening, all we can do is to keep peace, keep praying for each other, because when there is no peace in our country, we can't work, and so we're losing as a country. So oh yes, thank you even for your comments, we appreciate, and thank you guys. So guys, if you're watching from nyumbani, kindly, Nairobi is peaceful. You can come to Nairobi, buy whatever you wanna buy, sell whatever you are selling, because at the end of the day, it's you against your bills. It's not you against the government, it's you against your bills. So let's try to be positive in anything. Let's try to work hard, because the government is losing nothing, but me and you, we are losing a lot. So let's be positive about this, let's be neutral about this, and try and work hard. However much we are trying to press the government maybe to adhere to what maybe Kenyans want, but at the end of the day, it's us facing the bills. So this is your number one channel, Murori TV. It's your channel. Jefferson is your guy, and Kamakawa. Right now I'm at junction between River Road and Gariama Road, heading to Latema Road, and I want to show you what is happening. Kama kawaida, wengine washaekelea kazi. This is downtown Nairobi, and I want to take you to the Third World Nairobi. Third World is Moi Avenue and Tomboya. That's the Third World, but this one is downtown Nairobi, the River Road. And now should he go? Latema Road is happening Kamakawa, and we can see the presence of police making sure that everything is running, no guns, no one is looting, no one is starting something funny. And na kama kawaida maduka mingi hayajafunguliwa because maybe people feared of the goons. I'm sure wengine mko nyumbani, not because you fearing the protesters, but you are fearing for the goons. So this is Latema Road. This is between the junction between Du Bois Road and Latema Road, and we can see guards guarding shops, making sure that no one is looting, no one is interfering with their businesses. But matatu zinatembea kama kawaida. This is Moroline stage in Nairobi, and like 98% of the shops have been shut down, and ahead of me you can see guys with rungus. These are manning their businesses. They are the ones to make sure that no one is looting. So if you're there and you're watching and you're planning to come to Nairobi so that you can start maybe looting, niaje poa sana. So if you're there and maybe you're planning to come to Nairobi and start looting ole wako, there's no place for you to do so. I know in Kenyans' heart, many are saying maybe they would want the protest to go on so that they can go on pressing on the government. But on the other side, they are saying, wanasema yenyewe iishe sasa kwa sababu sisi ndio tunaibiwa, sisi ndio tunaporwa. And so the same is happening in my heart. My heart is bleeding when I see a business come down after someone gets in someone's shop. Wapi? Hatuna shida. And so this is Nairobi for you. Nairobi is peaceful. all I'm urging you Kenyans is to make sure that remember leo kuna woga kwa sababu according to yesterday's statements by the president that about the reporting, that's why we are here making sure that we are not here to incite anyone. We are not here to incite anyone, but we are here to make sure that you are updated and you are posted on whatever is happening. We are now in the third world for you. So guys, kujeni Nairobi mufanye kazi. Nairobi is working. So if you're watching from home, Nairobi is working. Nothing is happening, Nairobi is working. So if you are at home, Nairobi is working and working peacefully, no demos, everything is working peacefully. So yes, this is Nairobi for you, and so I want to take you through to Janja. I want to take you to through the Tom Mboya streets. You see, Tom Mboya street have much shops are closed. Everything else is working peacefully, smoothly. And everywhere there is police presence, making sure that Nairobi is working. Yes, thank you guys for always supporting what you do. Thank you for making sure that you are updated. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you even for the updates. As you can see, we have police presence on the other side, and nataka kusema nini? Gen Z. Jamaa naogopa hapo. And so we are in Nairobi, guys. Sawa. That's one of them maybe trying to update us. Dereva acha tupite. Haya. We're now heading to Moi Avenue. Na leo kuna tension kidogo. Aswi. Tunarifu. So this is around Mr. Price, the junction between Mama Ngina and Moi Avenue, and it's all peaceful. Raia wamepumzika and everything is working as you can see. So kama uko nyumbani guys, kama uko nyumbani and maybe you felt that you would want to come to Nairobi, maybe buy something or sell something, kindly do so. So don't be intimidated by anything, don't fear anything or anyone, because Nairobi is working, Nairobi is peaceful, as you can see. Yes. Ni ile tu watu waliogopa kuja kufungua maduka, but Nairobi is peaceful. Nairobi is working, nothing bad that is happening. Hakuna kitu ya kustua inaendelea Nairobi. Yes, polisi wame make sure that wameshika doria vizuri sana, and so kila kitu iko salama na iko sawa. This is Mangena. This is live from Nairobi CBD. And guys, for those of you who are requesting for my number, the number is 0723224455. For those of you maybe who would want to support in buying bundles and buying data, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Even for that person who is asking for my number, is 0723224455. That number is not for calling. Kindly, you can send me an SMS. Maybe I'll check on it later. But for now, you can support in any way possible. Thank you. Thank you. Kutoka. Yes guys, we're trying to see whether we can go to Mombasa Road. We see what is happening there, whether there will be anything. But in the meantime, keep checking on this channel, because in case of anything, I'll keep you posted and updated. But in the meantime, Nairobi is peaceful, nothing is happening. In case of anything, keep checking on this channel, I'll keep you posted. Ukipata wasiwasi kidogo, ingia tu kwa channel. Kama hatuko live, ujue Nairobi is still peaceful. Not unless things change, Nairobi is peaceful, Nairobi is working. So this is the update. Thank you guys.